Chimnya Goshti. Hello kids, welcome back to Chimnya Goshti, your favorite place for fun and moral-filled stories. Today we bring you a fascinating tale from the Panchatantra, the bird with two heads. This story will teach us a very important lesson. Unity is strength. So let us begin. Long ago, on the banks of the Syrian lake, lived a very unusual bird named Garunda. Garunda was not like other birds. He had two heads and two necks, but only one body and one stomach. Though they shared the same body, each head had its own mind and thoughts. One bright morning, as Garunda was strolling near the lake, the first head saw a glowing red golden fruit hanging from a tree. Oh, what a heavenly fruit! I am so lucky to find this, said the first head with joy. He quickly plucked it and began eating, praising its sweet taste. But the second head was watching sadly and said, "Please let me have a bite too." The first head smirked and replied, "We share the same stomach, right? So it doesn't matter who eats it." The second head was deeply hurt but remained silent. A few days later, while they were flying, the second head spotted a fruit from a poisonous tree. With anger in his eyes, he said, "You insulted me last time. Now it's my turn." The first head panicked. "No, that fruit is poisonous. We share one stomach. If you eat it, we will both die." But the second head mocked. "Since I found it, I will eat it myself, just like you did." And without thinking, he ate the poisonous fruit. Within moments, the poison spread into the shared stomach. Both heads cried in pain, and soon the great bird Garunda collapsed near the lake. Their selfishness and lack of unity led to their tragic end. Moral of the story: union is strength. We must never let ego or selfishness break our unity. Working together brings happiness and success. So kids, if you like this story, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to ChimnyaGoshti. See you next time with another magical tale.